Sanibonani guys, welcome back to yet another video, and we are speaking about the latest episode of Sibongile and the Dlaminis. So guys, this episode starts off at the Dlamini mansion. Everyone is having breakfast ekseni, and Unjengayo goes on to say, mndeni wami omuhle bengisacela attention yenu. Yazi, I've been smiling since morning. I'm even smiling nangaphakathi enhlizweni yami. If ngabe nje bengikwazi ukuthi ngiyivule le nhliziyo yami, I would do that so that nibone ukuthi ngijabule kanjani. He goes on to say ukuthi I would like ukuthi celebrate uMagcina. And then everyone looks at Uthemba. Uthemba is smiling there. Unjengayo goes on to say umfanami ukwazini ukuthi angene kwi-provincial team as a striker. Then everyone's like, wow, Themba, wow, ini uVusi is happy for him there. UPhetheni is like, yeah, besikulindele lokho. Congratulations, mfanami. And then Uthemba's like, ngiyabonga mamkhulu, ngiyabonga kakhulu. UPhetheni is like, simjabulele kakhulu angithi wenzeni looks at uPhetheni and she's like, yeah, simjabulele ma. Uthemba's like, ngiyabonga kakhulu uninonke. Wenzeni then says, wenze sure-ke Themba ukuthi uyayiphuza i-energy drink yakho. Uyiphuze ngoba hayi shame uzoyidinga i-energy. And then ulokhuzana Uthemba's like, oh okay. Unjengayo is like, no, yabona-ke mngani yami, kuyangijabulisa that ukuthi yamsupporta-ke ubhuti wakho. Ngithembe-ke ukuthi konke lokhu will motivate you wenzeni. Guys, uwenzeni, what is she doing? Because she knows ukuthi she poured alcohol into that energy drink, and Uthemba is about to go to school with that drink. Anyway, next scene, guys, we see uSangweni Kwambambo. He's a kitchen or near the kitchen. He's preparing to go to school ekseni. UVelephi walks into the kitchen and she's carrying uManqoba. So uVelephi is like, mfana kama kwenzenjani wasujuluka kangaka. She walks in, she's like, Sangweni wangisiza ukuthi usekhona. Awungithathela indishi laphana bese uyangifakela amanzi abandayo. Uyangijulukela nje uManqoba, angazi ukuthi kwenzenjani. Guys, uManqoba has been sick and it looks like we don't know, or they don't know ukuthi ingane igula yini. And then uSangweni is like, oh, okay, all right. And then he goes to fetch Indish. UVelephi is trying to wipe the child. Guys, the child is sweating laphayana. UVelephi is like, Sangweni, sheshisa phela. uSangweni is like, yebo ngiyeza manje. UVelephi then says, kodwa ngani yami, like ugula yini sithandwa sami? Wenzenjani? And then she's like, Sangweni, kandiphi indishi? uSangweni comes in, is like, sengifikile nayi indishi. UVelephi then says, cala uyibeke lana-ke. uSangweni then says, yindaba usugula, mfanami, alright? Yemanqoba, alright? Uphethwe yini, ye? UVelephi is like, Sangweni, awusho ama-clinic avula ngabani isikhathi? uSangweni is like, angazi kodwa mengicabanga sekavuliwe manje. Kodwa nje sisi wami ungakhathazeki kakhulu, vele ingane ziyagula. Uthola ukuthi umkhuhlane nje odlulayo, uzoba right lo muntu. Yambona ukuthi nawe uthi strong. And then that scene ends like that. Next scene we see uVelephi, she's at the clinic, guys. Wish ukuthi she can see inganakhe is not fine. She decided to go to the clinic. So the nurse that's there is helping another patient. UVelephi is like, sorry nurse, kancane nje, ngicela ukuthi ungisize nje bandla, ingane yami iyagula. And then the nurse is like, sisi, uhlale phansi. Yo, uVelephi doesn't take that nicely. Shathi ngiyade ngize ngikwazi, kade ngifikile lana and he's getting worse. Unurse is like, yabona sisi, if ungumzalo otho, ngabe uvuke ekseni njengawo wonke umuntu lana, uzolinda lana. UVelephi then says, angizwanga utshela mina about being umama otho. Inurse is like, lalela la, cela nje ungangikhozeli idrama efana na last time ngenkathi ulana, uyangizwa? UVelephi is like, nurse, cela ukuthi ungangijwayeli kabi, kade ngizama ukukhuluma kahle nawe, wena uyadelela lana. Unurse is like, ayibo wena ngizokubizela i-security njengamanje, mina iyangizwa, ungazosidelela lana, ini yo. And then next thing uSamke is like, whoa, imani, I don't know ukuthi uSamke come kephi, or did uVelephi come with uSamke, but anyway uSamke comes in between and she's like, Imani, let's all calm down please. She looks at the nurse, she's like, kodwa nawe sisi, like, why you cause drama engaka yazi? uNest then says ukuthi hayibo akukho engikwenzile nangu umuntu ofike la wakhoza idrama naba abantu kade belindile yini yena efuna ukuthi ukutreatwe yena qala. And then uSamke is like, okay, it doesn't matter ukuthi ubani wrong, ubani right, sisiza ingane la, size ngengane la ngisho. Ngiyacela sithandwa sami, ungakwazi ukuthi usibhekele le ngane please. And then the nurse is like, kulungile ngenani ke. And then they enter the doctor or that consultation room or whatever they call it. Next thing, uKwenzo benoThabile in the boardroom. These guys, these two, they playing with fire, especially because uThabile doesn't really know, or she doesn't know about uSibongile. But uKwenzo, he knows what he's in a relationship, and he's playing with fire because he is slowly falling for uThabile. So they're in the boardroom, just the two of them, and Ukwenzo's like, so, ngiyenzile. This is a confirmation. He's showing her the phone. Ukuthi ngempela, he did enter that competition that uThabile was allowing him ukuthi he must enter for. And then uThabile's like, Ukwenzo, listen, I'm so proud of you. This is huge. Then Ukwenzo then says, yeah, sibonga wena nje. Then uThabile's like, oh, before I forget, khona into engikuphathele yona. Then Ukwenzo's like, what's that? uThabile's like, close your eyes, please. She takes out something from a bag. She's like, there you go. Ukwenzo's like, yini lena? uThabile's like, just guess. We can all call it an award for submitting your application for the Innovative Young Designers Awards. So unless you watched Chikwatim, but she got him a gift, and then they both laughing there. As they both laughing, uPhetheni comes into the boardroom, but she stands at the door and she notices ukuthi there's something going on between uThabile benoKwenzo. They're busy giggling and blushing there, and uPhetheni is smiling because of course any opportunity for uKwenzo to move away from Sibongile iyamjabulisa. And then uPhetheni walks in and she's like, and then they stop laughing and then basale kahle ke. uKwenzo's like, oh mom. And then uPhetheni is like, yeah, she looks at uThabile, she's like, kusuba lukhulu ukuthi ngikunike le file. uKwenzo's like, oh yeah, nami konje ngiyakhumbula manje ngine conference call officini lami, so let me go, bye ladies. And then he walks out. So kusele uThabile benoPhetheni in the boardroom. So uPhetheni then says, yazi njalo kuningi engikuzwile ngawe. uThabile's like, I hope izinto ezinhla zodwa lezo mama. uPhetheni is like, yeah, no, definitely. Kodwa nje ngithanda ukuthi umuntu azikhulumele. Who exactly is uThabile? uThabile is like, uThabile is just a simple girl eqhamuka emndenini ohloniphekile. uPhetheni is like, okay, ushadile or unayo i-boyfriend. I'm just like, isn't that a bit too nosy, Miss Boss, ma'am? And then uLokuzana uThabile is like, emaqinisweni ma, it's complicated. Uraf la ngaphandle, I was in a not so serious relationship and it ended. uPhetheni is like, shame. Yeah, yazi uKwenzo naye ke akekho ku-serious relationship. He's quite a catch though. And then uThabile is like, yes, kodwa ma bengingazi ukuthi ubi-relationship uKwenzo. uPhetheni is like, yeah, angithi uyazazi lezi zinto ukuthi zihamba kanjani. You never know what's going on. And then uThabile is like, oh, okay. And then her phone beeps. She's like, she takes her phone, she reads the message, but you can see ukuthi whatever this message or whatever is written in this message is agitating her. And uPhetheni notices it. Then uPhetheni is like, all right. uThabile is like, yeah, I'm okay, ma. It's my ex. Guys, it looks like uThabile's ex is just toxic. It looks like uze drama. I'm just like, Kwenzo, I really hope ukuthi you are not gonna be caught up in this whole thing. I get next scene we see uSibongile. She's working on campus, phone yakhe in her hands, and she is smiling. So uZanele is sitting somewhere. She sees uSibongile approaching. She's like, hi, boss Sibongile. Sibongile looks up. She's like, oh, Mazet. uZanele is like, wahleka kangaka uhlekani? And then uSibongile then says, cabanga, I passed another CAD test yami. uZanele zathi unamanga. Hayi bo Sibongile, shaya lana mngani, then bashaya u-high five, and then shlap uSibongile one ke loyo. uSibongile then says nje, yimi loyo. Yazi Zanele, kade ngicabanga lana. Ngeke ngisahlukana nokwenzo. Ngiyazi ukuthi kunzima ukubamba izinto eziningi ngesikhathi esisodwa kodwa especially imfundo and umjolo, kodwa Zanele mina nokwenzo sesiphule ezintweni eziningi and angeke ngikwazi nje ukuthi ngimlaxaze nje kanjalo. Uyayizwa lento engiyishoyo? uZanele's like, yeah mngani, athi ngiyakuzwa ukuthi uthini. Yikuthi nje ama-relationship anzima. Angisaphathi-ke juggling relationships with our daily lives. Kuningi mngani. Kodwa-ke uma phela wena nokwenza nizimisele ukuthi niyayazi into eniyenzayo, ningaqhubeka. Ayikho inkinga mngani. Futhi-ke mina ngiyakunikeza isibusiso sami. uSibongile zakhe ngiyabonga mnganami, yazi ngiyabonga kakhulu. She looks at her phone, she's like, hawe mangaze ngajabula. Yezwa uZanele zakhe uyabonakala nje uqhamuka mngani. Uhappy nje, you are smiling, and then the scene ends like that. I'm just like, uZanele, who does she think she is? Like why does she feel like she can give uSibongile a go ahead to continue dating uKwenzo or a blessing? I mean, uZanele just entered uSibongile's life yesterday. Ayi kahle Zanele, like, get off your high horse. Anyway, you guys, next scene, uSipho, he's at his house. Next thing, all we hear uSipho screaming, Sizani, Mangoba, vuga, soja lam, vuga, auntie baba. Guys, uManqoba's on the bed, akavuki. uSipho is trying to shake ingane. The child is not waking up. uSamke rushes to uSipho's room and she's like, yini, kwenzenjani? uSipho's like, angazi kwenzenjani, uvele waquleka, angazi ukuthi kwenzenjani auntie, ukhipha namagwebu, angazi. uSamke picks ingane up. As she picks ingane up, uManqoba just wakes up. And then uSamke's like, how? Nangu nje uyanyakaza, yini bokwenzenjani? uSipho's like, angazi ukuthi, like, angazi ukuthi kwenzekeleni, besidlala lana wavele waquleka wakhipha amagwebu, angazi. Auntie, yini ngempela into wrong uManqoba? And then ulokhuzana uSamke is like, abulutho. I'm sure ukuthi bekakhathele, bekafuna nje ukuphumula. I'm just like, maybe uSamke is just trying to comfort uSipho, because I mean ukulala nokukhuleka, guys, it's not the same thing. Anyway, we see uVuma benoSamke kusebusuku, they are kwambalenhle. So uVuma's like, manje ubelokhelele, bakhuluma ngoManqoba. Then uSamke's like, ngeke ngisho ukuthi bekalele, bekaqulekile, kodwa when I woke up ingane ingathi akwenzakalanga lutho. uVuma then says, lutho kanjani? And then uSamke's like, indlela engiyibona ngayo mina, izinto ezinje zenzeka when there's a cry from abantu abadala, abantu baphansi. Ngichaza ukuthi even if le ngane silayisa to the doctor, ngeke babone lutho okurong. Angazi ukuthi ngayichaza kanjani in a way that will make sense. uVuma's like, manje-ke esiphi isinyathelo fanele ukuthi ngisithathe to help le ngane. Then the scene ends like that. Next scene kwalokhuzana kwaSibalikhulu at his home. uNjengaye is home, ulokhuzana uPhetheni is home. uNjengaye sees uPhetheni sitting there and he brings her a drink. And then he's like, kunjani kodwa sithandwa sami? uPhetheni is like, no, mina ngiyancenga sithandwa sami. It's just that ngikhathazekile ngomama. Mina ngiyamazi uma wami, I know ukuthi utoxic lo muntu, kodwa ngicabangela ingane zami, especially uWenzeni, they don't know ukuthi umuntu onjani. As they speaking like that, uNjengaye's phone rings. He answers the phone. He's like, yeah, okay. He was drunk at school. She's like, okay, I'm coming now. He hangs up the phone. uPhetheni is like, indaba uThemba. And then Njengaye is like, yes. And then they rush out of the house. Kusho ukuthi at school, they caught uThemba ukuthi he's drunk. And your guys, anyway, we'll see what happens next week. So manje, it's the next day. And the next day, uSamke, uBambambo, they are sitting ekitchini. So Uvuma like, kunjani Samke? uSamke is like, hayi ngiyaphila. Uvuma then says, ay siyabonga. Ngosizo that you give to Uvelephi ngiyabonga kakhulu. As bekhuluma kanjalo, ukuzwayo emnyango, sibali. Ulokhuzana uvuma like yini manje ungena usugijima la endlini ungangitsheli ukuthi la kusenkingeni futhi ujahwa ngabantu. Ukhuzayo comes in is at Sibali udeliwe usesibhedlela. I was just like udeliwe, like what? Uvuma pauses is like yini. Sangweni walks into the kitchen at that point. Ukhuzayo is like angazi Sibali. Usangweni is like uma usesibhedlela. Ukhuzayo is like, yeah, usesibhedlela. Usangweni is like, kwenzekeleni? Then Ukhuzayo is like, hey, angazi mfana, angazi. Uvuma is like, hayi Sibali, ngeke shuthi fanele ukuthi siphuthume siye esibhedlela siyombheka. Awuthi ikhiya lapho Sangweni is like, ayi nami ngihamba nani baba. Then Uvuma is like, hayi ngeke Sangweni, wena hamba esikolweni abantu abadala bayobheka esibhedlela sizonazisa later on mesibuya and give you guys an update. And then Ukhuzwayo and Uvuma, they walk out the door, they leave uSamke there. uSamke is feeling awkward because she's in Deliwe's house with Deliwe's man. And then uSamke just looks at uSangweni and she's like, uzoba right umawakho ungakhathazeki. The scene just ends like that. Guys, I am really wondering, is uDeliwe really back? Because I just feel like at this point, if they bring back uDeliwe, uDeliwe might be the spice that uSibongile and the Dlaminis need right now. Because to be quite honest, guys, a lot of people are complaining about ukuthi like ukuthi Sibongile and the Dlaminis is just flat and it needs something, man. So maybe uDeliwe will bring back that thing if Nyembela ubuyile. But anyway, we'll have to wait for next week and hear what's what. Let's park it right there. Maybe let's just cover that's been around Gwambambo. Maybe it has something to do not Deliwe asas you. Guys, you tell me your thoughts on this. Please do make sure you like the video. Please do subscribe. It is absolutely for free of charge. Guys, please do make sure you watch the ads. That is just your way of showing support towards the channel. And yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.